Bringing arms behind the hammock, grab the hammock low, bringing it to your lower back. Leaning back, core engaged, lift your knees up. Coming into an inversion, widen your legs, and bringing the backs of your palms to the ground. Inverted straddle. Bring the soles of your feet together and clasp opposite elbow. Inverted goddess. Lock one knee onto the fabric, straightening your opposite leg behind you. Clasp hands together, shoulders squeeze, Pigeon Pose. Wind your back leg on top of your front and your arms wind together, Inverted Eagle Pose. Unwind your arms and legs, reach up high. Without touching the ground, bring the hammock underneath your shoulder blades, grasp each ankle, lifting your chest and pushing away in Camel Pose. Feet come to the floor and back to standing.